I just feel like do whatever is good for you. When I say invest in your body, health is wealth. Invest in your health. Like, make sure you're healthy. If you're not working out, then you eating right or taking your vitamins or just doing what you got to do to stay healthy. That's the real wealth.
Welcome to the E.D'ORSTYLES channel. My name is Emma D'Or. Let's get right to it. This is a great quick recipe that will detox your body and help degenerate your fibroids and or fertility issues, as well as so many great health benefits. I personally degenerated my fibroids naturally, and the link for this video is in the description box. You will start with carrots. Put as many as you like. Beets, of course. I like to use a full bag depending on the size. Ginger root, I put a lot of it. I love that extra spice, that extra punch. I also added a lemon. Just go ahead and add the ingredients little by little into the juicer. A juicer is the best investment you can make for your health. Et voila! For more videos, subscribe, like, and share, and enjoy this amazing drink. See you on my next video. Imagine.